Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-minute trades. Want to show you this week's trade of the week? I got up at 2:30 in the morning to trade this one. Take a look. Hey everyone, so this week's trade of the week is actually going to be a collection of two trades. France and Germany, flash manufacturing. 3 o'clock we go into the trade room, and at 3:15 we have the French version of this report. There's our orders. We're trading the euro futures. Explodes to the downside. Easy profit. Everybody in the room that traded with us made money. And then when that trade was over, in just a few seconds, we went over to the German trade, and that was at 3:30. Here we go for Germany. Almost looks like the same move, but it was even better. Bursts to the downside, hits my first target, bingo, gets the second target, really nice profits. 3:30 in the morning, went back to bed, didn't need to trade the rest of the day, and that's our trade of the week. German and French, flash manufacturing. If you see us get up and we're in the trade room at 3 in the morning Eastern time, you want to get up and trade with us, because that means we really believe in the event, and we believe the event is going to make us money. So get up when you see us scheduling an event for 3 in the morning, because the odds are good we're going to have a profit. Leigh Goldstein here, this week's trade of the week. See you at the challenge, which is coming up now. It's not too late to sign up. All the info is in this email. Like to see you in the classroom taking the challenge. Take care, everyone.